Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video I want to answer the question, what the heck is a video nurture series? In short, it's this: you're watching our video nurture series right now. And I know that answer is a bit of a cop-out, so let me give you a better explanation. When trying to increase sales for your business, often the hard sell isn't the best approach. In fact, what's most important is staying top of mind for your customers. There are a lot of different ways you can do that, but in our experience, a video nurture series is one of the most effective. The concept is really simple. Record short, engaging videos that aren't super salesy and release them on a regular basis. I typically record these videos in batches of 8 at a time and release them 1 a week for the following 8 weeks. From each video, my team builds YouTube content, a web page, an email blast, and a social media post. That means that in one sitting, I'm able to generate about 32 potential touch points with my clients that will last me for 8 weeks. Not only does that allow me to promote my business really efficiently, it also lets me create an advertising environment that people enjoy being a part of. We've had great results with our video nurture series, and we really enjoy producing it. If you think that your business could benefit from something similar, that's definitely something we can help you with, and I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.